today? Let's sing together. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? I'm good, I'm fine. I'm good, I'm fine. I'm good, I'm fine. I'm very well today. Once again. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? I'm good. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm great. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm very well today. Give applause for us. Today we will learn about hobby. What is hobby? What is hobby? What is hobby? What is hobby? Hobby is your interest. What do you do when you feel boring? When you need some hiburan. Nah, do you have hobby? Do you have hobby? Kamu punya hobby? Yes, hobby. Hobby in English. Let repeat after me. My hobby. Ulangi. Repeat itu ulangi. My hobby. My hobby. Nah, what is your hobby? Now we will sing about song about hobby. Do you know Balonku Song? Tahu lagu Balonku Song? Yes, we will sing about our hobby with Balonku Song. Wait. Do you know Balonku Song? Yes. Let's sing together. Berenang itu swimming, menari itu dancing, menggambar itu drawing, membaca itu reading, memasak itu cooking, hey! Menyanyi itu singing, bersepeda itu cycling. That example of hobby. There are many example of hobby. Nah, let's sing together. Stand up, please. Stand up. Kita sambil peragaan with act ya. Berenang itu swimming. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Berenang itu swimming, menari itu dancing, menggambar itu drawing, membaca itu reading, memasak itu cooking, hey! Menyanyi itu singing, bersepeda itu cycling. That example of hobby. Once again, berenang itu swimming, menari itu dancing. Great. Menggambar itu drawing, membaca itu reading, memasak itu cooking, menyanyi itu singing. Bersepeda.
Bersepeda itu cycling.
That example of hobby. Okay, give applause for us. Now we will learn about video. We will learn about video. Is waiting. Attention please on the video, okay?
Hai teman kece, how are you? Kamu pasti punya hobi kan? Boleh kakak tahu apa sih hobi kamu? What is your hobby? Barusan kakak dengar ada tuh yang jawab makan dan tidur. Makan dan hobi ya, karena kita semua butuh eating and sleeping untuk bisa tetap hidup. Wah, kamu gitu apa ya hobi itu? Dalam bahasa Inggris, hobi disebut sama, tapi ditulis beda. H-O-W-B-Y. Hobby is a pleasurable activity that people do during their leisure. Hobi adalah kegiatan yang menyenangkan yang dilakukan di saat luang. Studying and working are hobbies. Sekolah dan bekerja tidak termasuk hobi. It is something you do that is not your usual daily activities. Jadi ingat, hobi bukan kegiatan rutin yang kamu lakukan sehari-hari. Oke? Kita lihat yuk types of hobby in English. Reading, membaca. We can read webtoon, novels, or encyclopedia. Kita bisa membaca webtoon, novel, atau encyclopedia. Reading helps us learn new words. Membaca membantu kita belajar kata-kata baru. When we read, we can imagine how people in other places live. Ketika kita membaca, kita bisa membayangkan kehidupan orang-orang yang tinggal di tempat lain. Cooking, memasak. We can start with simple food such as scrambled eggs and sandwich. Kita bisa memulai dengan yang mudah dulu, seperti telur orak-arik dan roti lapis. Cooking helps us think and plan better. Memasak membantu kita berpikir dan membuat rencana dengan baik. We follow instructions to cook. Kita perlu mengikuti instruksi ketika memasak. Drawing, menggambar. Drawing is fun. Menggambar itu menyenangkan. We can draw our family, our home, robots, dinosaurs, natures, or our favorite anime characters. Kita bisa menggambar keluarga kita, rumah kita, robot, dinosaurus, alam, atau karakter anime favorit kita. Drawing makes us more creative. Menggambar membuat kita lebih kreatif. Collecting items, mengoleksi benda. Some people collect things they like. Ada orang yang mengoleksi benda yang mereka suka. We can collect stamps, coins, or Pokemon cards. Kita bisa mengoleksi perangko, koin, atau kartu Pokemon. Collecting stamps is called philately. Mengoleksi perangko disebut philately. We feel proud when we collect items. Kita merasa bangga kalau kita berhasil mengoleksi barang-barang langka. Playing the piano. Playing piano. Piano is one of the most popular music instruments in the world. Piano adalah salah satu alat musik terpopuler di dunia. We learn to focus more when we play the piano. Kita belajar untuk lebih fokus ketika memainkan piano. Yang kita bahas adalah hobi yang bisa dilakukan dalam ruangan atau indoor hobbies ya, kece. Ada juga nih kegembaran yang dilakukan di luar ruangan atau outdoor hobbies. Fishing atau memancing. We can go fishing in the pond, lake, river, or even sea. Kita bisa memancing di kolam, danau, sungai, bahkan laut. Fish we caught. Kita bisa mengasah ikan yang kita tangkap. We learn to be patient when we go fishing. Kita belajar bersabar ketika kita memancing. Cycling, bersepeda. We can go cycling in the park or around the neighborhood. Kita bisa bersepeda di taman atau sekitar rumah. It's fun to cycle with our family or friends. Bersepeda dengan keluarga atau teman itu menyenangkan. Cycling is healthy exercise. Bersepeda adalah olahraga yang menyehatkan. Gardening, berkebun. We can plant flowers, vegetables, and fruits in our garden. Kita bisa menanam bunga, sayur, atau buah di kebun kita. Gardening makes us happy and relaxed. Berkebun membuat kita senang dan we can also learn a lot about plants. Kita juga bisa jadi belajar banyak tentang tanaman. Camping, berkemah. It is fun to go camping with family or friends. Pergi berkemah dengan keluarga atau teman itu menyenangkan. We can learn how to set up a tent and light a bonfire at night. Kita bisa belajar caranya mendirikan tenda dan unggun di malam hari. The hot chocolate is so warm and yummy. Coklat panas ini sungguh hangat dan enak. Playing football, bermain sepak bola. We play football in a team of 11 players. Kita bermain sepak bola dalam tim yang berisikan 11 orang. Our team tries to score more goals than the other team. Tim kita berusaha untuk memasukkan lebih banyak gol dari tim lawan. We learn to kick the ball and work together to win the game. Kita belajar menendang bola dan bekerja sama untuk memenangkan pertandingan itu. Wah, sekarang kita jadi tahu beberapa jenis hobi dalam bahasa Inggris nih. Terus kalau kita ingin tahu hobi teman kita, gimana ya cara kita bertanya ke teman kita? Yuk kita lihat contohnya.
Nah, according to the video, try to mention what kind hobby can you find. Try to mention, sebutkan dalam video hobi yang ada di video tadi, hobinya apa aja. Raise your hand, angkat tanganmu. Yang tahu tadi ada hobi apa aja?
Cycling,
Cycling, okay. Another?
reading,
Reading,
fishing,
fishing,
gardening,
Zahra?
cooking,
Cooking,
playing football,
playing football. The other?
camping,
Camping, okay.
playing the piano.
Playing the piano. Nah, there are many hobby that can be fun. We can do hobby indoor, on outdoor. And the hobby exactly not your interest saja, not only your interest, but melatih to be more patient, to be more focused, to be more creative. Belajar bekerja sama. That's right. Nah, now we will learn how to ask your friend hobby. Ready, anak-anak?
Hai Mei, di kamu.
Nah, if you want to ask your friend's hobby, you can ask, "Hi, Filsa," or the other friends, "What is your hobby?" Repeat after me. What is your hobby? Once again, what is your hobby? And then your friend answer, my hobby is singing or another. Nah, kita lanjutkan.
My
Next.
hobby is painting. Hobiku melukis. Me too. Aku juga. Nah, dari dialog barusan kita jadi tahu hobi Mei. Mei punya hobi apa nih?
Hobinya apa? Painting.
Melukis.
Atau melukis.
Ternyata Via juga hobi melukis. Kalau kita punya teman, kita bisa melakukan hobi itu bersama-sama. Hobi kita jadi makin asyik kalau bareng teman. Sekarang di sini ada 3 hobi: menari, menyanyi, dan bermain gitar. Coba teman kece sebutkan bahasa Inggrisnya masing-masing hobi ini ya.
Nah, try to mention what their hobby. There is 3 hobby picture on the smartboard. There is three picture. Try to mention what their hobby. The first one is apa nih? Pink. What her hobby? Huh? Dancing. Okay. And then in the middle, what her hobby? Singing. And the last one, playing guitar. Good job. Playing guitar. Next.
Tuliskan jawabanmu di kolom komentar. Jangan lupa untuk like, comment, dan subscribe serta bagikan video ini ke teman kece yang lainnya ya. Kunjungi website kita juga di Menjanji.
Nah, according to video, we have learned about the hobby, the useful of hobby. That's right, manfaat dari hobi. Make us more focus, make us more creative, drawing, terus juga make us healthy, ya kan? Untuk hobi yang kesehatan, sepedaan, cycling is make us more healthy. Sepak bola, belajar kerjasama dalam tim. Nah, sekarang anak-anak, we will sing together. Do you know your hobby? Do you know your hobby? Sudah tahu hobimu sekarang apa? Yes. We will sing with lagu balonku. Butika akan bertanya ke satu-satu anak, nanti mic ini boleh keliling anak-anak. Choose one your friend. Okay, ready? Let's start together. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is swimming. I like swimming very much. What is your
Choose your
hobby, my friend?
Together, what is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is piano.
Yes.
I like
Playing piano. Just one of your friend sambil bertanya. What is
What is your hobby, my friend?
your answer?
My hobby.
Sama-sama dulu. What is your hobby, my friend.
My hobby is fishing. I like fishing very much.
Choose your friend. Random aja, terserah. Sambil sebutkan. What is your
What is your hobby, my friend?
Together. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is swimming.
I like swimming
Swimming very
much. Stand up and choose one your friend. Sambil ngomong. What is your
hobby,
my friend? Together. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is fishing.
I like.
I like fishing very much.
You choose one. Sambil ngomong.
What is your hobby, my friend?
Together. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is fishing. I like fishing very much.
Choose.
What is your hobby, my friend?
Ayo. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is fishing. I like fishing very much.
Choose one. Yang belum
What is
siap.
hobby, my friend?
What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is drawing.
Drawing, okay.
I like drawing very much.
You choose one. Yang belum siapa? What? Siapa? What
What is your hobby, my friend?
friend? Together. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is cooking. I like cooking very much.
You choose one. Yang belum.
What is your hobby, my friend?
Together. What is your hobby, my friend? My hobby.
My hobby is football.
I
I like football very
You
much.
choose one.
What is your hobby, my friend?
Together. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is gardening. I like gardening very
You
much.
choose one. Yang belum.
What is your hobby, my friend?
Together. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is
Cycling, okay. I like cycling very. You choose one. Siapa yang belum? What is your
hobby, my friend?
Together. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is reading. I like reading very much.
This one. The last one. Terakhir.
What is your hobby, my friend?
Together. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is drawing. I like drawing very much. What is your hobby, my friend?
Okay, give applause for us. So you have different hobby, but according to our game, and there are many of you yang suka fishing. Apa itu fishing? What is fishing in bahasa Indonesia? Memancing. Nah, dengan fishing, with fishing, we practice more apa? Apa? Sabar. What sabar in bahasa Inggris? Passion. Berlatih untuk kita berlatih sabar. And then make group of 4 or 5. Buat grup 4 atau 5. Baris di sini masing-masing. Group 1, group 2, and group 3. Nah, baris per grup. This is a game. This is the game. We have game on the PID on the smartboard, and then you guess the hobby according and the soalnya, ya. According the soal, according the question, you guess hobby in English. Oke? Nanti Butika akan mencatat poinnya. I will scoring you. Oke, group 1, group 2, and group 3. Cepet-cepetan, oke? Lebih mundur lagi. Nah, mikir sendiri. The first one, the second person, the third, and then sampai belakang mikir sendiri. Karena kamu jumlahnya 4, nanti Filsa jawabnya twice, 2 kali, oke? Ready anak-anak? Ready. Nanti yang paling cepat silahkan jalan aja, nggak usah lari, kok nggak nubruk, ya. Jalan aja, nggak usah lari, berlari. Jalan ke depan, oke? Langsung dipilih. Ready? Wait. Belum terlihat videonya. Nah, tunggu kodoknya dulu. Nah, siapa tadi yang pertama? Kelompok 2, 1 poin. Mundur. Turn. Susah mundur dulu. Hop. Kata bahasa Inggris untuk hobi menggambar. Hitungan ketiga. 2, 3. Kelompok 1. Loading ya, loading. Wait. Mundur. Masih loading. Agak lemot. 1, 2, 3. Siapa dulu? Grup 1, oke. Pikirkan dulu, oke? Hitungan ketiga. 1, 2, 3. Grup 1 again. The last person. Saya baru loading. Wait for a moment. Mundur. Wait for a moment. 1, 2, 3. Grup 3 dulu. Masih ada kah? Kalau masih ada, kita selesaikan. Ayo, lagi. Mundur dulu, masih ada pertanyaan. Wait a moment. It is loading. 1, 2, 3. Siapa dulu tadi? Kelompok 1, oke. Dah? Hitungan ketiga. Tunggu. Dengarkan, klik dulu. Passion, sabar. 1, 2, 3. 2 ya. Tunggu. It's still loading. Bermain video game. Dipilih dulu. Ada playing video games, gaming yang bermana 1, 2, 3. Yang benar Azam, grup 3. Playing video game. There is one. Oh, udah selesai, game over. Oke, thank you, game over for us. Now, your task is draw your hobby and then write your hobby in below. Okay, my hobby is draw. Quickly, okay? Quickly. Use pencil or ball pen or another spidol is okay. Quickly, yes. Don't forget your name. Just not fishing. My hobby is the complete sentence. Reading. Reading, okay. What is? Swimming. What is your hobby? It is swimming. I like swimming very much. What is this, Wilsa?
My hobby is
Fishing. Pancingan ya? Reading book, okay. Okay, wait for a moment. With your friend. Write on the box. My hobby is. My hobby is. Yay. Hobby. 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 Is. Nah, what is this, Radit? What is this, Radit? What is this, Radit? Apa ini?
swimming.
Swimming. Okay. Not only drawing. The complete sentence. My hobby is drawing. Yeah. My hobby is cooking. Nah, the complete sentence, yes. Playing the piano. Okay, good. My hobby is gardening. Okay, good job. My hobby is cycling. Okay. My hobby is drawing. My hobby is playing football. Good. My hobby is fishing. Sama, masih fishing. And then My hobby is swimming. My hobby is reading. My hobby is fishing. My hobby is fishing. Then your turn. Your turn to read your assignment. Start from Filsa. My hobby is.
My hobby is fishing. My hobby is fishing. My hobby is reading. My hobby is swimming.
Okay, group 2.
My hobby is fishing. My hobby is fishing.
Wait.
My hobby is playing football.
Okay, good job.
My hobby is drawing.
Drawing.
My hobby is cycling.
Okay, repeat again.
My hobby is
Okay, good job. Bu,
My hobby is drawing.
drawing,
My hobby is cooking.
cooking,
My hobby is gardening.
gardening.
My hobby is playing the piano.
Repeat.
My hobby is piano.
Playing
The
piano.
My hobby is swimming.
Swimming. Okay, give applause for us. Give applause for us. We have learned many about the hobby. Okay. We have learned about hobby is many, is banyak sekali. Ternyata juga actually hobby make us for more creative, more passion, more healthy, ya toh, lebih sehat, lebih kreatif, lebih fokus, lebih sabar. Manfaatnya sangat banyak. There are many useful of hobby. Now we will say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye on the happy day. Goodbye, goodbye on the happy day. Smiling when you say goodbye, laughing when you say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye on the happy day. Give applause for us. Thank you for your attention, and now you can go out for the break time. See you.